Welcome back on Base Hits with Vince and Victory. Today we have a NBA Hoops.
Let's go. Giannis tribute card.
Give us
A Dame Bono rookie.
Could it be Trayce Jackson-Davis from the Golden State Warriors?
TJD. We got this one already, but we're always pumped when we pull a TJD. A Mark Williams purple card, and we got some that are flipped around. Let's see what we got here. A Tyus Jones silver. Let's see this rookie one. Rob Dillingham. Let's see, what's this one? Who's this, Victory?
Jalen Brunson.
That one's pretty sweet. A frequent flyers. And oh,
Zach Edey.
pretty cool pack. We got TJD, our favorite, Zach Edey, Jalen Brunson, and a Rob Dillingham rookies greetings. We'll take that.